Hey everybody, Professor Benelou here with a little short video to get you psyched up and let you know what's going on for Unit 2, gear you up, so to speak. Okie dokie, so my office hour chat times will be as follows. Monday, which will be February 24th, I will have my office hours from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time as usual. And on Tuesday, the 25th, our chat time will be held as usual in that evening. Please see your class schedule for the exact time. Okay, so Unit 2, we're getting geared up. We have some very important due dates. First of all, you have one remaining Unit 1 due date, which is Tuesday the 25th. Your Unit 1 in Telepath is due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you've not already gotten into your Unit 1 discussion board, please do so. And, excuse me, like I said, keep in mind that the Telepath is due on Tuesday the 25th, Unit 1 in Telepath, by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. You should have already gotten your determined knowledge in. Remember, determined knowledge is always due on Friday, and your Telepath is due on Tuesday. Completing the determined knowledge by the Friday deadline is extremely important because it allows the system to create the learning path or nodes that you must complete by the Tuesday deadline. And plus it cuts down on your workload. So who wouldn't want that? So be sure to get that in. Okay, sorry, I digress. Your Unit 2 due dates. This is a big week because you have two major writing assignments in this class, your Unit 2 discussion board and your Unit 4 discussion board, and your Unit 2 discussion board is coming up. The Unit 2 discussion board is broken down into two due dates. Remember this. Your first due date that you need to be aware of is Friday, February 28th. Friday, February 28th, you're going to have two important things due. Firstly, you're going to have your Unit 2 discussion board original post due. The original post is where you answer the prompt. That is going to be due Friday, February 28th by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. The second thing you're going to have due on Friday, February 28th is your Unit 2 determined knowledge. That will be due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So once again, two things are due Friday, February 28th. Firstly, your Unit 2 discussion board original post, and secondly, your Unit 2 determined knowledge. Then Tuesday, March 3rd, you have two things due as well. Firstly, you have your Unit 2 discussion board response post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is where you respond to two of your classmates. This is important as well because after March 3rd, your Unit 2 discussion board response post will no longer be accepted. So get this in. And also on March 3rd, you have your Unit 2 in Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Look at the videos that I've posted and look at my PowerPoint. Get working on that Unit 2 discussion board, and please do not hesitate to contact me with absolutely any questions that you have. All right, everybody, can't wait to chat with you on Tuesday to discuss the major events of the 1960s. Have a good one.